Hey everyone, this is Daniel from Creek Life Customs. I'm going to show you a walkthrough of my Ranger, the different products that we got, and also the new exhaust that everybody's been asking about. I just want to give you this is a better camera, it's an HD camera and so forth, so I just want to give you a better look at it and let you listen to it with a better speaker system instead of having my phone off my camera. The first thing we got down here is my lift kit. It's a lift kit from Creek Life Customs. It's just a bracket style lift just like everybody else has. We sell those at $129.99 shipped. So if you're interested in a 2-inch lift kit, give us a call and we'll definitely take care of you with that. While I'm down here, here's my new exhaust. Dual glass packs. We're going to offer these pre-welded. You will have to cut your stock exhaust and weld these on. It'll come with the 2 brackets and then the glass pack setup. So all you have to do is weld your stock exhaust and weld on the 2 brackets, so we can offer those pre-painted with the high heat paint and gloss look, just like these are. I'll give you a little better look so you can see that gloss paint on there. Real nice looking, professional. And also for Cody, clean welds that are all polished and cleaned up. Recent thing I did, I just blacked out my tail lights. We would be glad to black out anyone's tail lights who want to get it done. They look just like they were made this way. Real shiny look, just like from the factory. And I'll show you those lit up in just a minute whenever I crank the Ranger up. We offer those. Haven't got a price on those, but I know that if you paid for shipping to me and shipping back, the price on those wouldn't be bad. So we'll see how that goes with those. This is our High Creek snorkel kit that I got. We offer the High Creek. The low boy will come out right here above the crossbar on the 2011-2012 models. The High Creek is up here, as you can see, and the Going Deep is over the roof. So we offer those kits. Ask us about pricing on those. This is also a no cut, no factory modification on those. You see that discoloration right there on the header pipe? That's sand. I took it and put it in the creek up the road here a while ago, just to put those glass packs underwater. But our kit, as you see, it comes up through the metal cross member right here. You cut out a 2-inch by 4-inch piece out of it. It doesn't mess with the structure because most of your structure stability comes from the roll cage that's on these. But as far as anything else, there is no other cutting or modifications and none done to your bed whatsoever for the snorkel kit. Got the custom stereo pod up here. Got the 3 switches mounted on it for my LEDs and the radio and so forth. But I use some RE speakers on mine, RE audio, and a MB Court marine grade. It's not a CD player. All it plays is SD, auxiliary, and USB, so I wouldn't call it a CD player. But also got the fan switch mod on my Ranger. That way we can cut the fan off when we're going into deep water and mud. 29.5 stock rims. Got 2-inch spacers in the back, 1.5-inch spacers in the front. Custom 2-inch forward A-arms. And I got the diamond plate powder coated roof up top. Don't have much going on in the front. You know I got my custom LEDs on here, but it's daytime, so it'd be pointless for me to show you that. Got the Creek Life Custom sticker. Did this the other day whenever I was painting the exhaust. Did the CLC on the radio box. We have another style radio box that we're offering. That I can definitely send pictures of to anybody who wants them. There's the wife's custom grizz over there. But blacked out the taillight on it too, by the way. But we're going to be offering another stereo box. I'll be glad to send anybody pictures who might want that and want to take a look at that. But just PM me for any of this stuff. Send us an email, call us. I'll be glad to help anybody. But without further ado, I guess I'll go ahead and cut this on so you can hear this exhaust. Hold on just a second, gotta push that brake. I'll hit the gas for you in a minute so you can hear it. I'll walk around to the back too. I mean, that's about as close to Looney Tunes as you're going to get without paying $1,000 for it. I mean, honestly, I think it sounds fantastic. Oh, and there's my lights lit up, by the way. It's daytime. I don't know if you can see. I got them pretty dark. You can see them. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but I mean, I'm 10 feet away now and I can see it pretty good, and that's just with the running lights, so the brake lights would be brighter. At nighttime you'll definitely be able to see them. But you hear that exhaust? I mean, let's see, I don't know if you can tell, I'm probably a good 6 feet away from it now, and to give you an idea of how much pressure that exhaust has coming out of it, because of the way that I designed it, I'm getting the exhaust puff all the way back here, 6 feet away. So I mean, you know, and I put it underwater yesterday. You're not going to have it cut off on you. I put it underwater, idled it, didn't even hit the throttle, and I'm sitting there idling. To give you a taste of it hitting the throttle. Going back, it sounds like a cam. It almost sounds like a race car. And I don't even know if the camera's doing it any justice, but man, I'm telling you, in person, it sounds good. Alright guys, this is Daniel from Creek Life Customs. That pretty much wraps it up. We got tons more mods coming. I'm fixing to build my own cooler mount. It'll be just like the ones that we're going to sell. And if y'all got any questions or anything, feel free to contact us, man. We don't mind walking anybody through anything, helping anybody out. We're just two good old Southern boys, and this is what we love to do. So just holler at us whenever y'all get ready.